Now whenever you will keep this center point to that point, and after that what we have to make, we have to make of 10-degree angle. Okay, I told you always where it is line, where it is line is touching, from this side you are making now. So always keep from always you have to start from 0 and then 10. 10 is where? Here. So this line you have to mark. Clear? Now after marking, what you have to do, you have to remove your protector carefully, and just see here what we have done, with the help of scale. This point it is your vertex, and from this point you have to join this line. Carefully you have to join. Don't touch, means don't misplace the point. Just from this point you have to draw a line which will pass through the point carefully. Don't touch, and this should pass through this point, and this will become 10-degree angle. Clear? Now this is your 10-degree angle. Now we are going to be make of 20-degree angle. How we can make? The same method. First of all, we have to make a baseline. Baseline in any measurement you can make. No specific measurement for making a baseline. No need of any measurement. What you have to do? You have to make a baseline, and from which direction you want to make an angle. Suppose if you want to make an angle from this direction, you have to keep the point here. If you want to make from this direction, now in this side, in the previous side we have made in this direction. Now we are going to make from this point. Okay, so now what we have to do, as I told you, the center point of a complex protector, you have to keep on the point carefully, like that. You can see here the center point, and that point is on the same place. Now what we have to do, here it is point, so that means you have to measure from this direction. Clear? Now always start from 0. 0 is where? 0 you can see, not in downside direction, it is starting from 180. So what we have to do, you have to start from this side, this upside scale. You have to use upside scale where it is 0. It is 0, then 10, 20. Clear? 10 and 20. Between these you can, a small line you can count, but I told you that one small line is indicating 1 degree. So that means it will become here where it is 20, 0, then 10, then 20. Here it is 20. So what we have to do, carefully you have to mark where it is 20. So here it is 20. You will mark with the help of pencil. Okay, so now what we have to do, after marking this, you have to remove your protector. Okay, and with the help of protector, I told you, you have to keep your protector in such way that carefully that it should pass through. You have to make a line, and that line should pass through this point also, and this point, means you have to join this point with the help of scale, or you can use this protector also, no problem. Here you have to mark. Clear? Like that. And now it is your 20-degree angle. Clear? Okay, so now we have made 10 degree, we have make 20 degree. Now we are going to make as 90-degree angle. So 90-degree angle, how we can make? The same method, for like that we have done in 10 or 20. So now first of all I will going to make 90-degree angle. For that what we need a baseline, which we are going to make here, like that. I told you, no need of measuring the baseline, any centimeter line you can draw. Now from this side or this side, you have to choose. You can choose from any side, but once a point have done, what we have to do, the center point of this protector you have to keep here on that point. Clear? Now where is 90? Now from which side you will measure? From this side, because point is here and you have to measure from this direction, but you are always starting from 0. Then 0, okay, 0 is downside scale. We will not going to use this upside scale because it is starting from 180. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 is here. As we know that 90 is perpendicular angle. So first of all we will mark here where is 90. Don't mark here, here, anywhere. Okay, just count the numbers and you can mark. Count the numbers and 90. From this line only you have to mark. Okay, so now after marking, what we have to do? We have to remove this your protector, and now from this point and the marking point you have to join. This will become your 90 degree angle. Finish. Okay, so now okay, till now we have make an angles of a measuring of 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree or 90 degree. Now if we want to measure, if we want to make an angle of 35, like 33, 43, how we can make? So what we do, the same method will be there. First of all, baseline you have to make, same method. Okay, whether it is 90 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, the same method you will going to be apply. Baseline with any measurement, no need of measurement. Now the same thing, the center point you have to keep on that vertex point. So now here it is here center point, and this line, this baseline should be covered with this downside line. Clear? You can't keep your protector like that. No, this line should be covered, this line. Okay, so no need of like that, don't keep, otherwise your angle will be you will make a wrong angle. So what we have to do, we have to keep your protector like that. The baseline should cover this downside line. Now first angle, what we have to make? We have to make 35 degree. Now here it is point, so we have to measure from this direction. 0. Okay, always start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30. After 30, just carefully see that how we can measure the 35 degree angle. As you can see, after 30, here it is small line. Okay, so this the small line will become 31, this will become 32, this will become 33, and this will become 34, and this will become 35. So here you have to make and mark. Clear? On 35. After that, what we have to do, after making a mark, you have to remove your protector, and I told you with the help of scale or with the help of protector, you can join these two lines. Okay, this will become your 35 degree angle. Clear? Now we are going to make of 90. We are going to make of which number? Wait, let me see which number we can make. We have to make 77. Now this time we are going to make an angle measurement of 77. Now how we can make? The same method, baseline. You can make any measurement with the help of same only method we have to use. Now baseline is here. First of all, point. Okay, so here we have to keep the protector like that. It should be covered this line. Clear? Now first of all you have to keep properly the protector. Okay, so now for here it is. Now you can see carefully. Here it is from 0 starting. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. After 70, if you will carefully see, you will find a small line. Okay, after 70 you will find a small line. 70, now how much measurement we have to do? 77. Okay, so 70 and then a small line, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Here it is 77. So after this 70, you have to see very carefully and then you have to mark. So here it will become. Now after marking, what we have to do? You have to just measure. You have to just join these two lines. With the help of scale, you can join this. This will become your 70 degree angle. Clear? I hope you understand how to draw